What is going on, guys? So you are on the GoPro. I'm just kind of, I don't know, I'm feeling the GoPro vibes today, just to kind of run and gun, record a little bit of everything that I'm doing, maybe a little day in life. Suction mount right here, because if I drive anywhere, bring you guys along, give you some POV driving views and all that fun stuff. So we got this whole kit of a bunch of different attachments. Shit's confusing. What is this? Is this supposed to float in water or something? Is it dildo? Alright, so no idea what the plans or the moves are for today. I kind of want to, I don't know, do a little TSX video because it's been a little bit. I haven't recorded much for the TSX wise in the last couple days or week or so because she's been kind of sitting. My clutch pedal bracket is flexing, so I need to get that reinforced by getting it welded. And you know, I got the welder. I just need to learn some more because this TIG welder is kind of, it's hard learning. You know, TIG welding is hard. So yeah, I've only tried it about 3-4 times. I need to get back on it, like do a little bit of time management. And yeah, some days it's just too hot in the garage. So you just don't want to sit there and kill yourself and on top of welding and shit. So what else did I have in mind? My exhaust. That has a little bit of leak. I'm assuming little hairline cracks to the header. I just fixed up. Show you guys real quick, show you a little something different instead of me just pointing at the car. Get out my way, son. Show y'all. Good lighting right there. I was dealing with a little bit of a coolant leaking issue. Because as you can see right there, it was piling up at my trans, then right here in the rear on the motor mount bracket and like the little crevice on the engine. Seen it like stained up, run down right here, and I was just trying to think of what I was tightening all the the hoses, making sure all the clamps are tight. Spoke to Barry. He told me to get this pressure tester tool for the radiator. Rented it from O'Reilly's. It was like $165, which is crazy, but thankfully it just rented. Hooked it up here, put it to 15 PSI, pumped it, and instantly you could hear it hissing and bubbling from right here. Then I go to check, most of the bolts are loose. What I'm assuming happened was having solid mounts, the vibrations are loosening things up. Having this little thicker white thermal gasket makes like the bolts just a little less thread to hold on to, but still has quite a bit. Yeah, I think it's just vibrations and maybe it wasn't fully tight or something, but I'm pretty sure it was. Like the same thing happened right here. My fuel rail, these two bolts almost backed out. Literally, I caught it right before it like had a thread off to, you know, falling out. Put some red Loctite in there and been fine since. So I'm about to do this little roly up. Oh, so how do you guys feel about, you know, doing a little Instacarting days or whatever in my TSX, doing like it's like POV driving, going to the stores, buying a couple things, might get a couple shots of that, but I don't know, I'm not too big fond of like recording in stores because people over here are weird. A lot of older folks, so they'd be mad confused. Yeah, I don't care, but like it's annoying to deal with sometimes. But yeah, if you guys want to see something like that of us doing Instacarting, driving around or something, another video series if possible. So yeah, a lot of talking, I'm sorry, but these are, you know, vlogs, these are videos, these are showing you guys things. So yeah, let me just do my thing, and then we'll figure out, yeah, what we doing, where we going, where we driving. We are about to head out real quick, go for a little drive. I'm actually I have my phone set up on this thing so I could go on TikTok live and do some, you know, some views on TikTok live. Randomly jumped to 200, then over time it kind of like died down or whatever, but still really crazy. Got to 10,000 likes on it because people were spamming liking and all that, hearts. So I had to go for a POV drive in the TSX and go on live for them. So yeah, go check it out, guys. Leave me a follow. I'm trying to do more, you know, I'm trying to figure out ways to be more interactive, gain more traction, kind of use different platforms to promote. All right, so let me pop open his garage, the garage yaji. Give you guys a cold start. I have to go on TikTok live right quick too, so Better use them brakes, boy.
Smart.
He wants to drive all crazy. Look at him. Record this shit. You good, bro? Leaking, bro. Dude, it's leaking. Oh, and he lives right there? Oh, you live right there? Good job. So we're deciding to go to the beach that's kind of like down the street, state park, and do a little bit of longboarding. It looks like it's gonna be raining. Maybe touch the water or something like that a little bit. So yeah, hopefully the rain holds off for a little bit. Here the other day, did a TikTok, you know,
Something's in my
get those windows up, drink up, drink that water, pop that up. Oh my god, longboards, I forgot. These GoPro views are nice though. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, it's not bad. Oh, and you notice there's no more crack on the lens. Yeah, there was already like a plastic film protecting cover on it, so that's a plus. Beach. Real nice out here. Water looks nice. People are swimming, so about to go for a dip. So we just got done swimming. As you can tell, wet, shirt off. But now we gotta dry off. It's getting kind of dark. Feels good. It was nice swimming. Water was a little cool. It wasn't like crazy warm, but it was actually kind of refreshing. It got warmer, so yeah. I'm gonna catch you guys back on the flip side. Peace. Look at that beauty. Driving back and the drawbridge is up. This is maybe their second time ever seeing that, which is pretty cool. It's nice chilling here on the beach side over here on the causeway. So I mean, we came at a pretty good time, as you could tell. Florida's being Florida. Had to run and come close my sunroof. We just got out the shower and shit and heard and seen it was pouring. You didn't even hear it really, it just happens. It is the next day. It's kind of like midday already. It's in the afternoon, but I just feel like I need to carry on this vlog a little bit. Just kind of, you know, going over the TSX some, I guess, you know. So I've been having these hard codes on my dash for pretty much every single thing. My lord, is it hot. So I have a check engine light, which is my O2 sensor that keeps going off because exhaust leaks. Pretty sure it's just because of exhaust leaks. And I was looking down at my headers, I was seeing a little pinhole. Yeah, you can see all the VSA, ABS, traction, the e-brake light on. Because look, foot down. Like, you can see it. Oh, it clicked off for a second, then it didn't. Let me pop open this hood. And I was at Barry's a little while back when I made that video. I had the TSX there. Let me pop open this right quick. Yeah, I was over there. He has like a really good scanner and whatnot, so I had him check it and see if he could erase those hard codes, because these came about after my car has been sitting undone for a couple months, you know, when I was dealing with the whole motor rebuild situation. And then I turned on the car and it's never turned back off, like all the lights, ABS, VSA, even the e-brake light. When Barry checked it, it was coming back to like a 54-1, I think, code, I believe. Don't quote me, I had to double check again. I had the picture on my phone, but it was like a faulty relay switch failure. And when I look up that code, it's talking about this whole module, ABS system module right here, because that sensor is actually on the inside of this from what I've, you know, read. So I guess I have to see if the power is going to the thing, but everything should be good. Maybe these ground cables aren't, you know, up to par potentially. I'm gonna have to double check things before I go ahead and like take that off and try a new one or something, because that just doesn't look like too fun of a job. But it's not hard, it's just, yeah, it just doesn't look hella fun. But yeah, I've been dealing with that, and that's what I kind of seen from the research. But I did go in the fuse box and I swapped out like the 40 amps with another thing, and it still kind of was doing the same shit. So I'm dealing with that, and really the exhaust leak. I'm still having a little bit of oil leaking, and it's through my oil filter area, and I don't know why. I've tried different things. Like right now I have a little bit of Honda Bond around the seal point, and it still seems to be going through. So not entirely sure what's going on. It's not crazy bad, but there is moisture buildup on that side. It's kind of unfortunate. And I think I was showing you guys about the coolant thing I was dealing with. I mean, it's fixed right now. I guess I have to add a little bit more coolant because I topped it off for the most part, and it kind of sucked more in because it leaked some. I have like at one of the Y portions of like the headers, there is like a pinhole right there. I'm sure as hell there's probably more, or even hairline cracks somewhere. Not having full power because not full back pressure, and the check engine light because it keeps throwing the code for the bank one. Little overview. Don't mind my battery strap, man. That's what I'm dealing with at the moment. But yeah, otherwise the car is pretty good. I definitely need some new tires. I really want to go on a track day sometime, but I really need new tires. And then I'm probably gonna need a camber kit in the rear toe arms, camber and toe arms probably, so it stops eating away at my tires. Yeah, that's kind of just what's going on. Yeah, your boy's still trying to look for work. It's been kind of a struggle, sadly. Thought it'd be easier. I've applied to 100+ jobs, so yeah, it's just been a struggle. I do gotta learn some welding again. I just have to choose a day where it's not too crazy hot, because it do be hot, especially in the garage. But yeah, that's just kind of what's going on. Just want to give you guys some updates. When I figure something else more out, I'll get back to you guys, but I gotta go make this thumbnail for this reactions video. So just trying to upload different things now, more vlogs, more showing your guys' builds, doing those build feature videos, reaction videos. So I'm just trying to do it all around.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off, rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off, so high I cannot see.